Hi everyone, this is Raghuram, aptitude trainer. Welcome back, trains problems part 2. In this part, let us see some more different problems we have discussed in the part 1. If you are watching part 2 directly without watching part 1, first watch part 1. Part 1 link is given in the right side top corner. You just click on it and watch it and come to second part. And let us see the first problem in part 2. What's the length of the train if it crosses a pole in 45 seconds with the speed 36 kilometers per hour? Here in this case, this is also first type of problem, that is crossing a pole or a man or an object, any object. Here in this case, what is the length of the train? It's not given. We need to find, and time is given 45 seconds. 45 seconds. And what is the speed? Speed is 36 kilometers per hour. Time is 45 seconds and speed is 36 kilometers per hour. We need to find the length. Length of the train is nothing but a distance. Here in this case, distance, time and speed. Here in this case, what are they given? Time and speed are given. We need to find distance. What is the distance formula? Time into speed or speed into time. But here in this case, the time is given in seconds, but the speed is in hours, kilometers per hour. So what do we need? The conversion. Convert to meters per second. How do we convert? Speed is equal to 36 into, just multiply by 5 by 18. To convert from kilometer per hour to meters per second, multiply by 5 by 18. And here in this case, 18 twos and 5 twos are 10. What is 10? Meters per second. Okay. And now we got time and speed. How do you find distance? Distance is formula is time into speed or speed into time. So time is what? 45 and speed is 10. So 45 into 10 is 450. Is it kilometer or meters? Check the speed. Speed is meters per second. So the answer will be in meters. So the answer is 450 meters. In this first type of problems, you get like this. Out of it crossing a pole or a man or any other object or car also. And DTS triangle. In this, they give you out of the 3 terms, they give you 2 of them. We need to find the other. You just have to learn this formula. So distance is equal to speed into time, or time is equal to distance by speed, or speed is equal to distance by time. Let us see the next problem, fourth one. If a train of length 300 meters crosses a tunnel of length 500 meters in 40 seconds, then what is its speed? Here in this case, this is a second type of problem. What is given? If a train length always we take it as L1 is equals to 300 meters. Remember, always we take the train length as L1. In second and third type of problems, directly we don't take distance is equals to directly train length. Here we need to take like this. In tunnel, platform or another train problems, we take L1 is equals to 300. L1 is nothing but length of the train. And crosses a tunnel of length. Tunnel length, second train, tunnel or platform, we take L2 is equals to 500 meters. And what is given? It is crossed in 40 seconds. Time is equals to 40 seconds. Then what is its speed? We need to find the speed. How do you find here in this case? Distance is nothing but L1 plus L2. That is 300 plus 500. That's nothing but 800 what? Meters. Both are in meters. So distance is nothing but addition of the two those things. That is train and tunnel. And next time is also given. What do we need to find? Speed. What is the speed formula? Distance by time. It is in meters. Distance is in meters and time is seconds. No problem. Meters per second we get it. If the distance is in kilometers, the time must be in hours. Distance by time. Distance is 800 by time is 40. 40 20s. 4 2s are 8. So 20s. So we get 20. 20 is what? Seconds are hours. So what is the speed? What is it? Meters per second or kilometer per hour? Distance is meters and time is in seconds. So the speed is meters per second. So the answer is meters per second. Let us see fifth problem. a train with speed to 72 kilometers per hour crosses a platform of length 350 meters in 30 seconds. Then what is its length? Here in this case, what are the given values? A train with the speed is given. Speed is 72 kilometers per hour. 72 kilometers per hour. And crosses a platform of length. Platform length. How do we take? L2. What is L2? 350 meters. 350. So platform length or second second train length or tunnel length, we take it as L2. Always remember that one. And which is crossed in 30 seconds. That is time is 30 seconds. And what is the length of the train? That is length of the train, we take it as L1. We need to find. Here in this case, time is given in the seconds and speed is in kilometers per hour. So what do we need? We have to change the speed into meters per second. So the length of the platform is also given in meters. So speed must be converted to meters per second. Let us convert. S is equals to 72. How do we convert? Just multiply by 5 by 18. Any cancellations? 18 ones, 18 fours. 4 5s are 20. 20 is what? Meters per second. And we need to find the distance. And distance formula. What is the distance formula? Time into speed. What is the time into speed? Time is 30 and speed is 20 meters per second. So 3 2s are 6. That is 600. What is this one? Meters or kilometers? Definitely meters. Meters per second. The speed is in meters per second. So this is meters. What is actually distance? Nothing but L1 plus L2 is equals to distance. So L1 plus L2. What do we need? L1. Simply we can solve it and find it. So L2 is given 350 meters. So what do we get? L1 is equals to 600 minus L2. What is L2 is given? 350. So 600 minus 350. So the answer is 250 meters. The train length, L1, always we take L1 as train length. So we got L1 as 250 meters. So the answer is 250 meters. Let us see next problem. Sixth one. If a train crosses a man in 12 seconds and a platform of length 240 meters in 20 seconds, then what is the speed and length of the train? We need to find two things. Speed and length of the train. It has given two things. That is, crosses a man. A train crosses a man in 12 seconds. It crosses a man here in 12 seconds, and the same train crosses a platform of length 240 meters in 20 seconds. Okay, so here we must understand that the train crosses the starting point of this platform in 12 seconds, because it can cross a point in 12 seconds. So it can cross here the point in 12 seconds. Then it crosses a total length in another 8 seconds. Understood? The train can travel a point, a single point, that is man, in 12 seconds. So the train can cross the starting point of the platform in 12 seconds and total in 20 seconds. So the total length, the remaining length, it can cross in 8 seconds, because 20 minus 12. So it can cross the platform, that is 240 meters length, in 8 seconds. We can easily find the speed, and speed is equals to, what is the formula? Distance by time. What is the distance? 240 meters of length platform crossed in 8 seconds. Remember, 20 seconds total platform, but it crossed first point in 12 seconds, first point in 12 seconds, and total length 240 meters in another 8 seconds. That is 12 seconds plus 8 seconds is nothing but 20 seconds. Just subtraction. 20 minus 12, 8. So the cancellation, 8 3s are 24. So 30 is 8 30 is 240. That is 30. What is 30? Meters per second. So this is the speed, and easily we can find the length. To find the length of the train, first we find the distance. Distance is nothing but speed into time or time into speed. Here we don't bother about the platform, just we take the it crosses a man in 12 seconds. So time is nothing but, speed is nothing but 30 meters per second and time is nothing but 12 seconds. So 12 threes are 36, that is 360 meters. So the length of the train nothing but, that is L1, length of the train is nothing but the distance, that is 360 meters. Let us say similar problem, 7th problem. If a train crosses a platform of length 200 meters in 25 seconds and another platform of 500 meters in 40 seconds, then what is the speed of the train? Similar problem, but here in this case, this is the train, it is crossing another platform, a platform and another platform. It is crossing two platforms. So if a train crosses a platform of length, the first length is 200 meters in 25 seconds and another platform 500 meters. This is the bigger one, 500 meters in 40 seconds. Then what is the length? We don't know L1. We don't know the length of the train and speed of the train. First we shall find the speed. How do you find? Just say here the train crosses this platform in 25 seconds. So train is crossing up to here in how many seconds? 25 seconds. And another this part and total 40 seconds. Another this part in how many seconds? 40 minus 25 is nothing but 15 seconds. Remember? So the train is crossing 200 meters in 25 seconds. So remaining, this is 200 and this is 300. Remember, this is 200 and remaining part is 300 meters. It is crossing another 300 meters in how many seconds? Up to here 25. Total 40. 40 minus 25, 15 seconds. So another 300 meters in 15 seconds. Simply we can find here in this case remaining, we take it as distance 300 meters and the time is 15 seconds. We can find easily speed. Speed is nothing but distance by time. Distance is 300 and time is 15 seconds. So 15 2 is 30. So 15 20 is 300. 20 what? Meters per second. So because the distance is meters and speed is in, so time is in seconds. So we got the speed. Let us take another problem, 8th one. A train 600 meters long is running with the speed of 60 kilometers per hour. In what time will it pass a man who is running at 12 kilometers per hour in opposite direction? Remember, this is third type of problems. It comes under third type of problems. A train 600 meters. Train length, we take it as L1, 600 meters. With the speed is also given 60 kilometers per hour. 60 kilometers per hour. In what time? We need to find the time. Will it passes a man who is running at 12 kilometers? Here in this case we take S1 and S2. Other object is also moving. If other object also is moving, we take S1 and S2. Other object, that is the person, is moving, running at 12 kilometers per hour. 12 kilometers per hour in opposite direction. I told you the third type, we get two types, opposite direction or same direction. This is very important. Okay. So always distance is equals to L1 plus L2, other object. But if the other object other than train, we take it as 0. So directly we take distance is equals to just L1, 600 meters. If the other object is train, we need to add those lengths and find the distance. Other object is a man, car, any other object, we treat it as 0 length. So total only distance is 600 meters. And here in this case, in what time it will pass? Okay, opposite direction. A train is moving towards that way and man is coming in this way, opposite direction. We need to find relative speed. I told you relative speed. Relative speed is nothing but if it is the opposite direction, s1 plus h2, same direction, s1 minus h2. So relative speed 60 kilometers plus 12 kilometers, s1 plus h2, that's nothing but 72 kilometers per hour. Now we can find easily time, but the speed is given in 72 kilometers per hour. This is relative speed. Opposite direction, addition. Same direction, subtraction. We take subtraction. So it is in kilometers per hour, but the distance is in meters. Let us convert. What to do? Convert kilometers per hour to meters per second. So relative speed is equals to 72 and multiplied by 5 by 18. To convert, just multiply by 5 by 18. So 18 fours and 4 5s are 20 meters per second. So we can easily find. So we have a speed and distance. We can find easily time. What's the time formula? Distance by speed. We take it as relative speed in this case. Third type of problems, relative speed. Okay, distance by relative speed. Distance is 600 meters. Relative speed is 20. Cancellations. 0 0 cancel, 2 3s, that is 2 30s. So 30. Time is 30. Seconds are hours. The speed is meters per second. So 30 seconds. So the train crosses the person who is coming in the opposite direction with the speed 12 kilometers per hour and train speed is 600 in how many seconds? 30 seconds. Let us take another problem. Ninth one. A train 300 meters long is running with the speed of 60 kilometers per hour. In what time will it pass a cyclist who is going in at 6 kilometers per hour in the same direction? Previous problem opposite direction, this problem same direction. Relative speed will be subtraction. This is also third type of problem. Just after reading train problems, just remember, see, and what type of the problem it comes. 1, 2, 3 types. First type, crossing a pole or a person, and second time a tunnel or platform. Third type, another object is also moving. Here another object is also moving. Here in this case, train length L1. What is given? Train 300 meters long. 300 meters long with the speed 60 kilometers speed. I'll take it as S1 because other object is also moving. Speed 60 kilometers per hour. Okay. In what time will it pass a cyclist who is going same direction? So that is really other person, cyclist, is moving in the same direction with the speed 6 kilometers per hour. So train is moving in that way with the speed 60 kilometers per hour. Cyclist is moving with the 6 kilometers per hour. So here is the cyclist is moving 6 kilometers in the same direction. Train has to cross him in how much time it will take. Okay, we need to find the time. So before which, always in this third type of problems we find relative speed. Relative speed, if it is opposite direction, addition, same direction, subtraction. That is bigger minus smaller. 60 minus 6, nothing but 54 kilometer per hour. So here in this case, always distance is in meters. It is kilometers per hour. We have to convert. How do we convert? 54 multiplied by 5 by 18. Cancellations. 18 3s 54. 3 5s are 15. It is in meters per second. So we convert it into meters per second. So here relative speed. Speed is given and distance 300 meters. Other object is a cyclist. We take cyclist distance. What is length is always 0. If it is other than object, that is if it is train, we take both L1 plus L2 distance, but it is just a cyclist. Cyclist length we take it as negligibly small, that is 0. We take it as 0. So directly we take distance is equal to 300 meters. So we need to find time. What is the time? Distance by speed. Distance is nothing but train length 300 meters. Speed is nothing but relative speed 15. So 15 2s are 30, that is 20. 20 what? Kilometer, what is that time? Hours, minutes or seconds. Speed is meters per second. So it is 20 seconds. So the train crosses the cyclist in 20 seconds. Let us see some more problems in next video. If you like this video, please give it with a like and share with others. You can also leave comments and suggestions below. Subscribe to our channel and stay updated more such tutorials and videos. Thank you.